Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over the Zhiyun Smooth Q3 3-axis smartphone gimbal stabilizer with grip tripod, perfect for the vlogger or anyone who does any travel videos or any videos just using their smartphone like I do myself. This is actually going to come in handy for me because I currently use a gimbal tripod, and this one right here seems much more up to date and really super cool. Can't wait to use it. So let's go ahead and open up the box and check it out a little bit more in depth. And since I'm just now getting this product, we'll probably bounce on over to Amazon so we can check it out and get a little bit more in depth into the key features and details of the Smooth Q3 by Zhiyun. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now here is the Zhiyun actually out of the box, out of the case. Looks very futuristic, really nice. Let me get up close on it. And there are different modes that you can take it into, and that's why I'm going to jump over to Amazon a little bit later so we can go into all those modes, because currently I do not know how to use this all that well since I just now got it and I'm about to unbox it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Please scan the code to download ZY and activate the product. Phone camera direction needs to be going to the left right here. But before we do that, let's go ahead and attach our tripod so we have somewhere to sit it while I go ahead and get everything else ready. Now I have had the chance to download the ZY app. Let's go ahead and actually put it on the gimbal and see exactly what it looks like and how the gimbal works. I have noticed that there are plenty of amazing features in the ZY app. There are also different tools and various templates that you can also check out on the app as well. So let's go ahead and check out some of the templates before we get into it. Here's the nature template, and let's go ahead and check out a few of those as well. Now since we had the chance to browse the app a little bit, let's go ahead and put our phone on the gimbal and test it out a little bit and see how the movements are, see how smooth this thing really is. Let's check it out. You were going to want to have the phone looking something like this, kind of balanced out a little bit. It's kind of getting unbalanced, but before you turn on the unit, you need to have it somewhat balanced. And now let's go ahead and press the power button on the back of the unit. Okay, now we are ready to go. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of the movements. Okay, really cool. Very smooth, definitely a fantastic product so far. Like, the motion is flawless, and you can also change the speed of the motion as well. There are also various different modes that we will be going a little bit further in depth in just a moment, but I just wanted to go ahead and give you a small demonstration on what it looks like while it is in motion. The camera footage won't be affected by the actual gimbal, so that'll be determined by your camera resolution. Since the demonstration is over though, let's go ahead and hop on over to Amazon. We'll go a little bit further in depth into all the key features and details that make this Zhiyun Smooth Q3 the ultimate video stabilizer. Let's check it out. Here we are looking at the Zhiyun Smooth Q3 gimbal stabilizer for smartphones. Let's go ahead and scroll a little bit further down into the key features and details and get into it. Following made smart and easy. Always stay in the spotlight. Activate the Smart Follow 3.0 with just one tap via the app. This feature needs to be used with the ZY app. Say yes to gesture control. Too much to handle for your hands. Use just a single gesture to control the shooting while also being yourself anywhere, anytime. Shine in every way. Integrated rotatable fill light with touch button to light you up from all angles with 3 adjustable brightness levels. A guarantee for brighter you in the front, back, or 180 degrees all around. You can also switch from horizontal to vertical shooting very seamlessly with just a triple click of the button below the power button to easily shoot for landscape photos or videos for daily recording. And then you can change it to vertical shooting for multiple live streaming platforms as well. So that's an amazing feature. So definitely will be using that one myself. Gesture control, say hi to start the shooting. Too much to handle for your hands. Use a single gesture to start shooting while you can. Need filters? We have prepared them for you. Numerous filters to address your footage. Vibrant, dynamic, and stunning visuals with a single tap in your ZY app. A 3-axis structure for surprisingly stable and smooth footage. The ZY app is also all-in-one. It has filters, special effects, music, speed control, one and only masterpiece. Some of the features only apply to ZY Prime members only, but many of the features are automatically added for the free members as well. Want to add easy but mind-blowing effects that make your videos stand out? Get instant dolly zoom and create cinematic short films with just a few simple steps in the app. Clone yourself up to show different sides of you. With Magic Clone Pano, you can now shoot multiple images and arrange them on the same screen. And that about sums it up for all the key features and details that I wanted to cover in today's video. I just wanted to do a small demonstration and an unboxing for you all, go over some of the features and details just to show you all exactly how it works and stuff. I hope you guys found some value out of this video. If you have, please press the like button, comment down below, and also drop me a subscribe if you would. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads, and as always, keep it real.